Hi everybody, today we are going to clone Chrome together. Let's get started. First, we need to create a navbar. There should be 4 divs including Gmail, images, menu icon and profile picture. Here we define the navlink class name, Gmail, image. Then right click on this icon and click on inspect. We copy the SVG tag you see here and paste it into the div. Divs width and height will be 24 pixel. Width 24 pixel and height 24 pixel. And class name, now image. And SVG color, white. Now let's add a profile picture. I will share these pictures with you. Now image, class name. Now let's move on to CSS to set the style of the navbar. We adjust the background color of the body. Background color. Its height will be 100 V per height. And max height will be 100 V per height. All colors will be white, but we will change some of them later. And font family, Arial Sans Serif. I use overflow hidden to avoid overflow, and margin 0. Let's use display flags to navbar. Display flags. Flags wrap, flags direction wrong, and justify content flex and align item center to vertically. Let's give the inner space and outer space to the divs inside the nav. Padding 8 pixel, margin 4 pixel. The width and height of the SVG will be 24 pixel. Width 24 pixel and height 24 pixel, and cursor pointer. Now image. The height and width of the profile picture and the div of the icon will be 32 pixel. Width 32 and height 32 pixel. Hovering or the nav image class will change the background color and round the edges, use border radius 50%. To make the profile picture round and border radius 50%. Okay. And now link. I'm changing the font size to 0.8 rem. And now link. Hover. Text decoration underline and cursor pointer. Okay, it's done. Now let's add the input and the logo. And we create a div and container class and div image Google logo. The width of this logo will be 275 pixel at the search bar. Again, we copied the SVG tag as we did before. We add display flags, and align item center, and SVG div with 24 pixel and cursor pointer. Let's change the color of the path. Fill. Okay. Now we add inputs. Inputs div style with 100%. Now let's add the other icons. Icon. I use the picture for the keyboard. Its width will be 24 pixel. And cursor pointer. With 24 pixel. Okay. And we copy other SVGs. And voice icon. And image icon. They will also have a width of 24 pixel and a cursor pointer. Style width 24 pixel. Width 24 pixel and cursor pointer. Okay, now let's get back to CSS. Container. We give display flags and flex direction column, align item center, and justify content center to vertically and horizontally. And height calculates 103.8 minus 250 pixel. Okay. Inputs. We give all unset to the inputs because all the features will be the features determined by the browser. The colors will be white and padding left 5 pixel and width 100%. We are shading the search bar by giving it box shadow minus 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 4 pixel and 0 pixel. And color we gave the display flags and align item center and border 1 pixel solid 5F6368. And we gave the border radius 40 pixel to round the sides. Width will be 550 pixel. And padding 10 pixel, margin top 30 pixel. Search bar, hovering the search bar will change the background color. And change border color 1 pixel solid. We use importance to override the previous code. Okay, it's good. Now let's style the icons. We gave display flex and align item center and gap 1 rem. Now let's add the buttons. And div. The margin top will be 30 pixel. There will be 2 buttons. Google search. And I am feeling lucky. And style. Margin top 30 pixel, font size 0.85 rem and color close to white. Let's get back to CSS. Button, all, unset, background color, border radius 4 pixel, padding top and bottom 10 pixel, right and left 15 pixel. And border 1 pixel solid. And cursor pointer. Button hover. Border 1 pixel solid. It's good. And span color 8AB 4F8. When the Google Offer class is hovered and text decoration, underline and cursor pointer. Only the footer remains, let's add that. The country will write in the first div. I write in Turkey because I live in Turkey. The padding of this div will be 15 pixel from top and bottom and 13 pixel from left and right. And font size 0.95 rem. Now let's add links. Class links We added display flags. We add the same to this div and about advertising, business, and how search works. The other div, privacy, terms, and still. And let's move on to CSS for footer. We give the footer the position absolute, content empty, and bottom will be 0, background color close to black, and width 100%. The colors will be light gray, 9A, A0, A6. Now we use footer after. For the line you see here, position absolute, content empty, left 0, and top 2.6 RAM, width 100%, and height 1 pixel, background color okay, and sorry, and for the links we gave the display flags to the further link and flags wrap justify content space between, align items center. And padding 0 pixel, 2 RAM and 5 pixel. And links gap 0.75 RAM. Further links div. The padding of the divs in the links class will be 10 pixel and font size will be 0.85 RAM. Finally, there will be text decoration underline and cursor pointer when the divs in the links are hovered. Text decoration underline and cursor pointer. And there it is. I think it's pretty much the same. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.